Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the clutch cover from Carbon Up Armor. All right, so today we're taking a closer look at this aftermarket clutch cover coming from Carbon Up Armor. Now, a clutch cover on a motorcycle, kind of just one of those parts on a bike that's pretty vulnerable. If you have a crash or tip over, you can break that. In my opinion, stock clutch covers really don't require that much force to break. So a lot of riders will upgrade their clutch covers. And there's a couple unique features about these that I want to highlight. So first is with the construction. So we see a lot of aftermarket clutch covers that are made from a built aluminum. Those are awesome, they're very strong. But what Carbon Up Armor uses is a carbon fiber infusion process. So you can see they're all black. I think they're a cool look to the bike. They add a cool look to the bike. But what's unique about this material is one, it's super lightweight, so it's just as light, if not lighter than a billet aluminum clutch cover. But also, the way it's constructed, it's kind of unique. It actually has a little bit of flex to it, a little bit of give. So it's hard enough that it's going to resist those impacts. In fact, they have a video. It's pretty interesting. They take a hammer to this and they hit it, I think, over 30 times, and it doesn't break. And they hit it pretty dang hard. But you'll actually notice that the material, as hard as it does have a little bit of give to it, which helps with that strength. So it's just a really cool material that they're using. Again, a really great aftermarket accessory to have to add protection to your bike. Couple other things, it's gonna come with a gasket as well as these sleeves that you're gonna use for install. Okay, just follow the instructions that come included with the cover. And also, they actually left a little bit of extra volume in the cover, so this is gonna work with auto clutches. And they also say that having that extra volume, if you want, you can run a little bit more oil than stock. That way it's just gonna help with cooling the clutch. All right, so there it is. That is the clutch cover coming from Carbon Up Armor. If you guys have any questions, write those below. Last thing I will point out that I like is that you get a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer with these. To pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. These are machine specific, so when you're looking at these, just make sure to enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike. That's gonna make sure you get correct fitment. Remember, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this little product spotlight video, well, we are doing a lot of them, so make sure to click and subscribe to us, and that's going to keep you up to date on the latest gear guides, product reviews, how-to videos, bike builds, everything, you name it, we got it coming in, so make sure to get subscribed. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.